Hi, we're going to review another Florida statute. Florida Statute 784-049. Florida's cyber harassment statute. Another name for cyber harassment is revenge porn. In my opinion, such an act is a despicable invasion of privacy. The publishing to an internet website of a person's sexually explicit picture without the depicted person's consent, for no legitimate purpose, with the intent to cause emotional distress, is cyber harassment in the state of Florida. To prove the crime of sexual cyber harassment in the state of Florida, the state must prove the following four elements beyond a reasonable doubt. 1. The defendant published a sexually explicit image of a victim on an internet site. 2. The image contained or conveyed victim's personal identification information. 3. The defendant did so willfully and maliciously for no legitimate purpose and with the intent of causing substantial emotional distress to the victim. And 4. The victim did not consent to the publication. One of the problems I have with the Florida statute is that the image must contain or convey personal identification information of the victim. I think this gives a perpetrator a great out-of-jail card if the perpetrator simply posts a picture or video but does not identify the victim. There is nothing to preclude that those on the web will not identify the victim. There is nothing to guarantee that the victim will not be subject to emotional distress if there is no personal information posted with the picture or video. The penalties for doing this are, as a misdemeanor, a person who willfully and maliciously sexually cyber harasses another person commits a first-degree misdemeanor, which is punishable by up to 1 year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. As a felony, a commission of a second offense or subsequent offenses. A conviction is punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Now, no warrant is needed for an arrest if a law enforcement officer believes that probable cause exists. An aggrieved person has the following remedies. 1. Injunctive relief. 2. Monetary damages to include $5,000 or actual damages incurred as a result of a violation of the statute. And 3. Reasonable attorney's fees. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.